Late afternoon, everyone. Almost 3 o'clock. I'm just starting the day off now, but there's a reason. With Jeff, and things didn't go so right. Twist his neck somehow. Now that I'm back home, I'm gonna set up the jump. So much jump. I like to use some clips with the GoPro. Also, the Vivitar. Yeah, let's go.
So I thought
Get a rail session going.
So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
That puts an end to it because I just broke the bolt on my clamp. Totally just completely destroyed it. Damn. Good. Alright. Got the parts I had needed. I paid like $2 for them, but that's with also a whole other set and some extra bolts. So that now I can actually have an end, which might actually help. I think that they're the same width. Helps not. I know I have the tools probably to do it, so I'm not afraid of that. Now I gotta go home, go upstairs, and we'll put these things on. Yeah, and then we might have Carter and Satchel come over again tonight. I don't know, but I got a lot to edit tonight, so it's gonna be a rough night. Plus, maybe with Rad, who knows? Right, I have to go home. Bye! There we go. Got the right stuff in here. This thing never likes to focus. Damn it. Well, anyway, we got the new bolt. It's like softer. It's like just hard metal, and I also put a lock nut onto it, so hopefully. So Carter and coming over. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna head to Domino's. That's one thing that I know we are going to do. I'm putting away tools. My dad is gonna get angry because I don't really own a set of tools. I just borrowed his. That's basically it so far. Time to put these in the bag with the other ones. And this guy is back into shape. I like the look of these nuts a lot better too. So you can yeah, they're about actually the same, which is good because it also had just enough length. Like right here starts the movement. It goes there. Right, you guys are like almost dead, so I may just take my iPod. Absolutely And I love how this, like, instant focus, kinda, not really, kinda like that. So now I'm gonna have some bolts on here. I don't know if I can.
You make you make
Riding up the streets, friendlies. I don't have good camera on me. That's my fault.
That's gonna be like her. I just like shove it in my underwear and like meow.
What are you doing? He's taking a picture of me.
He is? Yeah, that's illegal without your permission.
Do I have permission?
Yeah, you have permission to take my photo, but I don't think those gentlemen out there do. I don't have permission to take my photo or video of my audio of my voice.
Do you want me to go outside and I'll wait with them? The bikes and then
I'm not worried about it.
we're eating in here, kid. No. Yeah. Then why don't we just order out there? Yeah, why not?
Let's do that.
Well, the lady's here. The lady is here. Oh, she is. Satchel. Scuffle. I don't really care anymore. Mine, bitch. Look at that money! Mine. One cent. Take it, bruh.
I'm a ghost, and then I burn and come back and talk to you.
I can't stop this feeling.
I was actually thinking about this song the other day.
Girls, you just don't realize what you do to me. When you hold me in your arms so tight, and you know everything's alright.
hooked on a feeling. I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. Lips as sweet as candy,